3120. I'll show you what's going on with that. I put it in the car, I went over to the bench, and it was leaking oil. So the oil leak's coming from the pickup pipe. I started it up with this off. It's pumping oil. I'll show you, it's pumping quite good. But for some reason the oil pickup there is either too small or the oil pump is bent or something, the housing. But I'll have to go back in this and have a look. I was asked what year model this was. Under the carb it said 2002. The side of the motor says 2000. So under the carb there's a sticker. The sticker was floating around under the carb. So I just went sticker. I never thought of it the other side. So there might be different. Does anyone know? Let me know. I'd like to know what's going on. But I got to sort this out. But it pumps enough oil that it should run the bar. I'm going to put the 42-inch bar in there, the longer bar. But I haven't used as much. Most new still. Well, it is new really. A few tanks of fuel. Now I'll start this up and show you guys how much oil is pumping out. A big heavy buffy thing it is. That's pumping enough oil, but as soon as I rolled it over like that, put fuel and petrol in it, I put that thing down and there was oil running out the pickup line. Now that was been glued there with motor seal, and it went all together. But I'm wondering if the oil pump plate on the aluminium part there's bent or something, not sure, but I'll find out. But it's good enough to do a cut with the bar. Well, while I'm out here anyway, I might as well try and do some cuts to see how she goes, see how she runs. I'll put the bar on. Okay, just had it running. There's a gear off, legs up. So you can see oil's running out of the bar, so we get enough oil. So should be fine. Almost brand new chain too. So we'll do a run, see how she goes. She's very chirpy, she wants to really rev. So this is more of a thing. How's it perform? Do I need to get an unlimited call or not? I have a call for a demolition saw from Farmertech. It looks the same as a 272 call. Also have a 272 call, but I still haven't heard of anyone how they actually fit, what they have to modify. I want to know how you modify them. I imagine you have to do the holes bigger in the call, stuff like that, but I still haven't found out. But anyway, I want to see how it runs, how it performs, do a few cuts, and see what colour the spark plug is. Is the spark plug a nice brown colour? It's right, I don't have to modify. If it's not the colour it should be, I have to drill the main jet out in the carby. A guy in Europe somewhere got Popeye, his YouTube name, I don't know how to pronounce his name. He's drilled his out at 1.2 mils on the main jet. So I want to do it in increments, just a little bit of time, see how she goes. But I'd say I don't really want to go unlimited. It's going to be a milling saw. Milling saws have to do a continuous rev the whole way, and they don't get a break. So I don't want to kill the saw. So it will kill it if it's alright to cut big stuff real quick, get over and done with it. The saw can cool down again. But milling saws are a bit different. So I'm trying to make it a torque monster. Right, we'll do some cutting. Okay, you might see me turn it from time to time. The screwdriver, I found my screwdriver. I missed that thing. It's a pretty big bit of wood. It's probably, I don't know, 39 inches, 40 inches. Bar goes out the side, the end of it, just a bit tip hard. But it's all solid. Other stuff here is not solid, but we'll see if she goes. I'll probably get a cut out of that there. I'm going to avoid the bucket. Another cut there, so I'll probably try and aim for 2 cuts. See where we go, but I'll just start it. It really hurts to start. I'll start it warmer up. It's really interesting. cut good, but you can hear the thing. The rev limiter kept on cutting in. So I was about half accelerator, nowhere near full accelerator. We had a dog thing right in to the cut. The next one you listen, when dog right in hard, it wants to peak rev past the rev limiter. So you got more power than what you should have. So I might have to go unlimited coil. That's to get plenty of fuel. So it shows wood from hot and hard. Got heavy. Got a blue gun, I think. Do the next one. I'll do this one. Come over here, guys. Come over here. Woggies. Oh, this thing is a heavy saw. Only good for milling, but it can't get the revs right. Once it just wants to race away, it's only mildly poured. It has to be scary stuff when they're fully poured. Grass and crap. That should do. Alright, do a cut on this side. Get my bum out of the road. As I've been told before, stop filming your bum. I didn't mean to. Right, start up again. Angle that a bit more. Sawdust is flying out. Oh, I felt to resharpen this too small. On those angles I spoke about before in the last video. So she's cutting nice. Squirting that sawdust out. Alrighty. Let's do this again. It needs an unlimited coil. That just wants to root its head off. It wants to get up and go. But it cuts good, but yeah, it's not. It needs to be able to rev more. Even a little bit more. That timber's hard stuff. But yeah, interesting. It's got power there. It just, I can't get the power out where it should be. That coil is 9,800, I think it was. And it bounces and bounces. Anyway guys, over now, thanks for watching.